Okay, let's begin. First things first. It's Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. It's not even Wednesday, it's Tuesday, okay? It's Tuesday. And I'd like to introduce you to my little friend of the evening. So, this is Di. Honestly, that's my second sip. But the fact that I have this little companion right now is making me happy already. For those of you that have children, okay, you already know we went back to school today. I have 3 kids. I know, shocker. A lot of you assume that I'm a lot younger than I actually am. I mean, I'm youthful. I'm definitely, you know, blessed in the genes. But anyways, yes, I do have 3 kids and 2 of them went back to school today. With COVID and all the rest of it, we're doing everything via Zoom, meaning I'm pretty much a teacher as much as a teacher is a teacher. Does that make sense? So it's been a day. It's been a whirlwind of a day. So cheers to you parents out there that are experiencing the same thing that I just experienced today. I'm happy that it's the evening. I'm happy to unwind. I do want to go to bed early though, so I'm quickly filming this for you guys because I nearly backed out. I nearly said, you know what, not today. No. But then I said, you know what, it would be nice to have a chat with you guys. But anyways, you didn't come here to this video for that, but I had to just quickly mention that because that's what's happening in my life right now. Okay, so for today's video, I do have an unboxing for you. Now, this item you might actually have already seen on my Instagram before. I didn't bother unboxing it because it was just a small item and I was just too excited to open it. So I opened it and then from then on, I kept on using it. So I never actually featured it here on my YouTube channel, but I have had some questions on this piece. So I thought, you know what, I might as well just make a video on it. As per usual, if I do miss out anything that you kind of wanted to know, then let me know in the comments down below, send me a message, that type of thing. But of course, before we move on, if you're new to my channel, then hi, hello, I'm Adeela, nice to meet you. If you are Luxe obsessed, then this is definitely the channel for you, okay? And if you're not already subscribed, then honestly, I don't really know what you're thinking. I love this. I love my hands. Jazz hands. I'm sweating. Can you see this? I hope this is translating on camera because I'm sweating a bucket right now. Okay. We need some blotting sheets. Blotting sheets, anybody? Blotting sheets. You know what? Oh yes. I don't suppose it would take us that long to subscribe, so I can definitely wait for you to do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's get into this video. Let's go ahead and sing the song because that's what we do over here. So it's that time again. It's the time again. It's the time again. Today we have a Fashionphile. A little Fashionphile package. I don't have the box because, as I said, I ordered this maybe like 2 to 3, maybe 4 months ago, and I threw the box out because, you know, sanitizing and things like that. But it just comes in like a little box. It comes with like little confetti type situations. This is the dust bag that the item came in because it didn't have the original dust bag. This is the Kirigami in the medium size. It is in this beige tone color, so of course it makes sense for me to own it. It is not actually sold separately. It comes in a Kirigami set, which has a large, medium, and a small. Now, this set actually came out last year, summertime. I do believe it was a limited or special edition item, so I don't actually think you can get this from the website like right now. So I actually found this on Fashionphile. I didn't get it at the time of release because, well, I didn't want the 3 of them. I would chuck up an image right here so you guys can see the whole set that it comes in, and I personally didn't really have the need for the green nor the black and white because they're just not my colors. I saw it on Fashionphile and I was like, you know what, that's mine, thank you very much. It cost me $360, which I didn't think was too bad, but I mean, I don't know, let me know if I'm like living with a fairy somewhere. I love it. I believe the size is intended to kind of, it's supposed to be like for a passport, so passport holder size. Honestly, I kind of just use this as a grab and go or a catch-all situation in one of my bigger bags. I haven't used it for a passport or anything like that because, well, I mean, where am I flying to? Nowhere, never. So my AirPods, key holder, card wallet, that type of thing, blah, blah, blah. So this is what I'm currently using it for. Honestly, it's just stunning. I feel like they should come out with more items in this color just because, well, I'd be snagging it all up. Okay, so essentially that's what it looks like. It's an envelope pouch, clutch. Currently right now you can definitely get the Kirigami set in the all over monogram. So you know, the usual brown canvas monogram. I don't know if it's sold out or what the situation is on this one, if it's a hot ticket item or not. I have no idea, but I personally don't have an interest for it because I just don't like the colours of the interior. The large pouch, which has a pink interior, the medium, which has a red interior, which I probably would consider, and the small one, which has the fuchsia pink interior. There we go, it retails for $715. Kirigami pochette situation is something that you're kind of into just on a general, then you can definitely go for that set. However, if you did want this one in particular, then Fashionphile or, you know, such like websites would be the way for you to go to buy it. Ever so quickly, how about we look at this piece against the mini pochette so we can see, you know, size comparison. If you aren't sold by the mini pochette, which if you're not, I don't know what's wrong, okay, because I personally feel like everybody should own a mini pochette in their collection, okay, because it's just, okay, it doesn't even need an explanation. Okay, so here's the mini pochette, here is the Kirigami. As you can see, they are similar in size. Of course, the pochette is slightly smaller, an inch or two. Which I feel like they can definitely give you different purposes, but I do like them together. I definitely think if you're not into the mini pochette, but you don't mind the Kirigami style and shape, then this is definitely one way you could go. If you like the Kirigami, but you like the versatility of the mini pochette, meaning this little chain that you see here, you can definitely buy yourself one of these chains and loop it underneath the flap to kind of create the same effect that the mini pochette has. So I know that is definitely something you can do. I've seen people do that. So all you would have to do is buy one of these chains, create the chain underneath this flap here. So you'd have it here, you'd close it, obviously, and then have the chain, you know, created up here. I don't have a chain personally, but quickly, if I just unclip the chain from the mini pochette, essentially this is what I mean. You would kind of loop the chain underneath the little envelope flap and then bring the chain up here to, you know, meet itself, and you would turn the attachment parts under the flap so you wouldn't be able to see this, and all you'd be holding is the chain itself. So hopefully that makes sense. I know it's not a good example, but I definitely wanted to show you guys that just in case you are kind of thinking about the Kirigami but you're like, well, multi-purpose, no. But you can definitely make it a multi-purpose situation for yourself if you wanted to do that. But of course, if you were kind of deciding one out of the two, I would steer to the mini pochette because it's just stunning. It's just a gorgeous piece. But for me, having this Kirigami in my collection was definitely a must because it's beige and there isn't a lot of beige pieces in LV. So I definitely wanted to have this one in my collection, and I do love it dearly as well. But if you're kind of thinking between the two, then I would go for the mini pochette. Unless you're just into beige and neutrals in the same way that I am, then you'll definitely appreciate this piece. Okay, you guys, so in terms of unboxing that. That's going to be it for this video. Of course, if you do want me to do a what fits inside the medium size Kirigami pochette, then let me know in the comments down below, or maybe you guys are just not interested in that. Definitely let me know. If you enjoyed it, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I do want to say that I have a giveaway coming soon, okay? Myself and some lovely ladies have a giveaway coming over on Instagram. So, all I'm gonna say is, if you're not already following me on Instagram, then definitely, girl, listen, if I could enter myself into this giveaway that's coming up, I would. I definitely would. But, of course, that's not how it works. So definitely follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned for that giveaway coming very, very soon. But other than that, of course, if you hadn't had enough, then definitely click this video right here, or maybe this one over here. Stay with me for a little bit longer, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.